Hey YouTube, this is EverythingEpan here, and today I'm doing a video tutorial on how to install Windows 7 Build 7000 in Virtualbox or VMware. Now, if my voice sounds a little bit different, I don't know if it does or not through the mic, but if it sounds a little different, I'm a little bit sick, so I apologize if I'm not as clear today, but you know what, it's alright. I'm just gonna make a video today, and it's gonna be Windows 7 Build 7000. I have both 32-bit and 64-bit ISOs. I'll have links in the description for both of those, and then I might start a poll, but follow me on Twitter, please. I'm gonna have an annotation up here that has my Twitter name up there. It'll be in the description. Please go follow me on Twitter. I'm going to do a poll that asks if I should remove the password off of my files and also remove AdFly. So I'm going to do that, but be on the lookout for that. Maybe I'll include a link in the description. That could come in an update video. I really don't know. But whatever happens, I guess. So let's just get into the tutorial anyway. I apologize for the background noise. My windows are open too. So let's just go to Virtualbox and create a new machine. Windows 7 Build 7000. I'm going to do the 64-bit version and hit next. I'm going to bump up the RAM to a gig and hit next. And then create a virtual hard drive. Then go ahead and hit settings, storage, then go find the ISO file, which mine is all the way in here. So we'll open that and then hit OK, and then we'll hit start. And then it will load up the machine. Put this in full screen so you can see. This could be the last video I have a password on. So yeah, in all my videos that you watch, if it says password, like in my past videos, it'll say passwords in the description. If I get enough people that say I should remove it and I remove it, just be on the lookout for that. So now it'll just load up Windows here, and it'll go into the setup. And then you're going to select your language and keyboard, hit next, then hit install now. It'll say setup is starting. Okay, so now it'll come up with the license agreement after a little bit. And you see that it says Microsoft Windows 7 operating system beta too. So, and the background on this is different. So yes, this is what it was like when it was in beta. So you're going to need to accept the license terms and agreements. Hit next, and then here you want to hit custom, because obviously you don't have an operating system on here to upgrade from. So we'll hit custom, make sure your hard drive is selected, and then hit next, and then it'll copy files, do the expanding files, install the features, install the updates, and then it will complete the installation. So just let that sit for a little while, and it'll do its thing. And I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Okay, so to restart, it'll say press any key to boot from CD or DVD, and it'll boot up again. It'll load back up into setup. So it'll say setup is starting services after a little while. I skipped ahead a little bit. And then it will go back to completing installation. And there it says completing installation. It'll sit there for a while. You can see the green progress bar on the bottom, but just let that run for a little bit, and then it should restart again. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so to restart once again, and that should be the last time, because then it will start to go into setup of like the username, the normal Windows 7. Yep. Setup is preparing your computer for first use, and it'll say checking video performance, and then after that it should go into the username setup. So might be nice if I was in the virtual machine. Just type in your username or a PC name. Oh. And then hit next. Oh, there. And then when it comes to the product key, just hit next to skip it. And then use recommended settings. Choose your time zone. And then select your type of network. Mine is a home network. More than likely that's what you'll select. It'll say connected to your network and applying settings. I am very sorry, I'm so sick. And then it says finalizing your settings. See, that's the benefit of YouTube. Even when you're sick, you can still make videos. You may sound like crap, but you can still make videos. And now it'll log you in, and it's the Windows 7 Ultimate Edition. It'll say preparing your desktop. And then when this comes up, just hit ask me later, and then hit OK. You can change the background back to the default background. It'll let you do that, even though it already did it anyway. But this was the default background. It was a fish instead of the logo in the middle. But it says Windows 7 build 7000, and it says for testing purposes only, and it says this copy of Windows is not genuine because there's no product key entered in. So there you go. You are logged in, and I'll show you. It says Windows 7 Ultimate version 6.1 build 7000. So this would expire it would already have been expired, but whatever. So there you go, guys. That's how to install Windows 7 build 7000 in VirtualBox or VMware. Thank you guys for watching. Expect an update video coming out in my next video, which should be 2 days from now. It's going to be of a poll that I'm doing of if I should stop with the passwords and AdFly. So please make sure you watch out for that video, because I need everybody to do the poll and vote to do yes or no on the password and whatever. So that's how to install Windows 7 build 7000. Apologize for the way I sound. I'm a little bit sick at the moment, so hopefully I mean, you'll hear me like this for the next couple videos because I'll be pre-recording them, but hopefully after that I should be back to normal. But like the video if you enjoyed, or if it helped you out. Share the video as well. Comment your ideas down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.